Today we are here for learning how to compute regression in Excel. For example, you have some data. The first column is dependent data and the rest of the columns that we have two of them here are the independent data. For computing the regression, you need to run the data analysis in Excel. For run this, you need to go to the File, then Option, and Add-ins. Click on the Analysis toolpack and go. Then on the click here, Analysis toolpack and OK. Then you see the data analysis showed up here. Now you click on the data analysis and choose the regression and OK. Now you need to input the data. Input Y ranges for the dependent data, and if you select them and enter, and X range is for the independent data. You need to select them and enter. And on the click here, labels and OK. You'll see that the results showed up here in other sheets. And it's there for regression and T and other data that we have here. Best wishes. Thanks for watching. Let's remember.